employees are already expensive to pay, and it can be really difficult to do that. However, I mean, one of the biggest struggles of a lot of people in this industry is finding good people and finding and retaining good employees. And if you're able to pay them well, incentivize them well to stick around for a long time, like there's just so much value there. And if you can get the right people in the right seat, I mean, it's just going to make everything better. Not only the experience of running the business, but the customer's experience and the end product is going to be better, just kind of all the way around. So, I love that you are sort of focused on that side of things and then looking to, cut costs in other ways in order to accommodate that, which is huge, I think. I mean, I think that's probably a big factor in the success that you're having in the business. I am curious, like, how do you think it sounds like volume wise, you're doing really, really well. Yeah. I'm just curious, like if you think of, cause I know other people are thinking this, like if you think of your competitors that are charging the $2.50 to $3 a pound, how do you think your business is stacking up to theirs when it comes to, net income, I guess?
The extra $20, $30 the first time, but my numbers are so good and so lean that I'm still in the same profit margins as you. And I'm going to get them over and over and over again. And they don't have to look for a coupon. They don't have to look for a discount. So that, I think, contributes to a lot of the success. I'm not big on getting customers based off of high prices and then giving them a coupon and then them trying you out and then them coming back, because eventually they'll say, this is too expensive, or like, this isn't a lot of bad surveys. I have the different metrics, lined up at the bottom between pricing, quality, and logistics. What do you think is the one I get hit on the most?
Probably pricing,
right? And that's amazing because we have the most competitive pricing. We were, during COVID, we got the, I forgot the loan it was called, to pay your employees. And
like the PPP or whatever.
PPP, exactly. I wanted to make sure that money went to the employees and they had hours to do it. So we're not hooking people based off the high price and the coupon. We want a long-term, convenient, local, in the community solution. We don't want to be Uber Eats where I use you when I get $20 off. We want them to consistently use us